Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So get this, Busan has officially recorded more than 3 million foreign tourists this year, marking a huge milestone for the city's tourism industry. And honestly, it's no surprise. This coastal city has blown up as one of Asia's must-visit destinations, where beaches, mountains, and neon nightlife all crash together in the best way. But let's be real, not every place that trends online actually lives up to the hype. So today, we're counting down 10 of Busan's most talked about attractions and deciding which ones truly deserve the spotlight and which ones might be just a little overrated from a local point of view. Let's get into it. Number 10. Dongbaekseom Island APEC House. At the edge of Haeundae, Dongbaekseom is pure calm, ocean breeze, pine forests, and a boardwalk that feels like a mini getaway. Most tourists skip it, but honestly, it's one of the best spots for a quiet morning walk or sunset view. Total hidden gem. We call it underrated. Number 9. Oryukdo Skywalk. The Skywalk is a glass walkway over dramatic sea cliffs, short but sweet. You'll probably only spend about 15 minutes here, but the view, unreal. The trick is to pair it with a hike through Yonggungsa Park nearby. That's when the visit shines. We call this properly rated. Number 8. Songdo Beach Cable Car. Songdo was Korea's first public beach, and it still has vintage charm. There's a glass-bottom cable car, a skywalk bridge, and, the best part, far fewer crowds than Haeundae. It's fun, scenic, and family-friendly without the chaos. We call it underrated. Number 7. Haeundae Blue Line Park. If you want one of the most scenic rides in Korea, hop on the Haeundae Blue Line. The sky capsules glide right above the ocean, and the coastal train connects Haeundae, Jungsepo, and Songjeong. It's touristy, but worth it, especially at sunset when the whole sky lights up pink and gold. We call it properly rated. Number 6. Yonggungsa Temple. Unlike most temples in Korea that sit in the mountains, this one's built right on the coast, and it's absolutely stunning. The sea views, colorful lanterns, and sunrise over the temple make it feel almost otherworldly. It can get busy, but it's still one of Busan's most beautiful and spiritual spots. We call it underrated. Number 5. UN Memorial Cemetery. This one doesn't get nearly the attention it deserves. The UN Memorial Cemetery is the only one of its kind in the world, a peaceful, beautifully kept place honoring soldiers from 22 countries who fought in the Korean War. It's quiet, emotional, and a meaningful reminder of the city's history. If you want to step away from the crowds and reflect for a moment, this is the spot. We call it underrated. Number 4. Jagalchi Fish Market. Yes, it's touristy, but it's also iconic. You can pick live seafood and have it cooked right there in front of you. It doesn't get fresher than that. So, if you're into seafood, it's a must. But if you're not, maybe skip the raw octopus. We call this properly rated, but it depends. Number 3. Gamcheon Culture Village. Gamcheon looks amazing in photos. It's bright, artsy, and colorful. But in person, it can feel crowded and overly commercialized. It's still worth a stop for the view, but go early or on a weekday to actually enjoy it. We call this overrated. Number 2. Gwangalli Beach. Nighttime here is unbeatable. Music, fireworks, drone shows, and the bridge lighting up by the skyline. It's busy, but that's part of the charm. Here, just grab a coffee or beer and just take in the view. It's Busan at its best. We call here properly rated. Number 1. Haeundae Beach. The most famous beach in Korea, and the most crowded. It's flashy, full of events, and great for the I was here photo. But if you want a chill beach day, you're better off going in Gwangalli or Songjeong. Still, it's a must-see at least once. It's basically Busan's signature spot. We call here a little overrated. So, what do you think? Did we get it right, or is there another Busan spot you'd bump up the list? Busan's a mix of city, sea, and style is what makes it so addictive. Even the overrated spots here have their own charm. So if you're visiting soon, go beyond the basics. Explore the smaller beaches, hidden cafes, and quiet neighborhoods. That's where you'll find the real Busan. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and drop a comment about your favorite Busan experience. Until then, see you next time, and enjoy the city by the sea.